Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really useful part for anyone flying the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Accidents happen, and sometimes the arms can get damaged. That's where something like this comes in handy. This is a replacement arm shell specifically designed for the Mini 4 Pro. The one we have here is the right front cover, which is a common part that might need replacing if you have a bump or a minor crash. This shell is made from high-quality plastic. The description mentions it's durable and wear-resistant, which is exactly what you want for a part that's exposed on the drone's arm. It feels sturdy enough to do the job of protecting the internal components of the arm. The key thing about this is that it's a direct replacement. If your original arm shell is cracked, broken, or just unusable, you can swap it out with this. The listing says it offers stable performance, which likely refers to how well it fits and functions as part of the arm structure. One of the most important aspects for a drone part is weight, and this replacement shell is incredibly lightweight. At just 0.1 grams, it's not going to add any noticeable burden to the drone, which means your flight performance and battery life shouldn't be negatively impacted. That's crucial for a small drone like the Mini 4 Pro. It's designed purely for the Mini 4 Pro, so you know it should fit correctly if you're working on that specific model. The seller offers different options. You can get the left front, the right front, or both front arm shells. It's really important to double-check which specific arm shell you need before ordering to make sure you get the right part for your repair. Replacing a damaged arm shell like this is a great way to get your Mini 4 Pro back in the air without having to send it in for a costly repair or consider buying a whole new drone. It's presented as an easy-to-use repair part, suggesting that someone with a bit of technical skill could potentially perform the replacement themselves. Overall, for Mini 4 Pro owners who find themselves with a damaged arm shell, this replacement part from Joysog looks like a solid option. It's made from durable material, it's lightweight, and it's designed specifically for the Mini 4 Pro, offering a way to replace that broken or cracked part and restore the drone's functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.